Mr. Solomon Butler,
Yeah.
who is at the moment standing next to one of the old cane mills that was used to crush cane many years ago. Mr. Butler will tell us exactly how it was done. Go ahead, sir. You can tell us now, Mr. Butler.
Huh?
You can tell us how the mill worked.
See? Well, you see another handle like this and see? You say you do?
Yes, sir.
The two handles in there and you put them cane in, then they just grind them up. You put a tub or something and catch the water from it, you know, and you boil that, you can make syrup or anything.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Butler.
Okay. Good luck to you all.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, honey, I said thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. These going down now, though.
What, the mill?
Yeah. They used to grind them, you know. Cane, you used to raise plenty cane up in here then.
Mm-hmm.
And this soon be to grind them and make syrup and thing, you know.
Okay.
But now, like, as the time grow on, ain't much people farm that much.
Yes, sir.
And you don't got that much season now to raise something like how you used to raise it before. So you still have to, you know.
So what kind of wood is this?
This
Mm-hmm.
Madeira wood, that's a hardwood. Look on it. You don't find these all about, you know.
No, sir.
Hmm?
Mr. Butler, when it came to making these mills,
Hmm?
just about anybody was able to make these mills, or only one or two persons could make them?
Only one or two people who was able to, could afford to make them, you know, was to this one and one bit further up.
Is the other one still further up?
No.
So this is the only one around here?
Down now. This the only one up.
Okay, sir.
You see, well, like these people here, there was some like a landlord people, they got plenty of land and people used to work on the land, raise cane and thing, and you know when the cane come, you could send something out and the rest you could grind it right here and make your own syrup and thing what you want right here.